Oh, Scout para sa imo.
Scout.
And they called it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels and why I love her so.